Hello, everyone. If someone says that he is full of virtues, then he is wrong. Everyone is imperfect. Very much imperfect. Huh? God has not made everyone perfect in this world. No one is perfect. Or it would be more appropriate to say that God did not make any human perfect because even God could not do this as it was not possible. But the Almighty God has definitely given some unique qualities to each and every human, which the other human being will not have at all. But some people keep crying and whining all the time, saying that I don't have this and I don't have that. I wish I had that. And grieving, they waste half their life, my friends. And they always seem to quarrel with God. That's why God, is unjust with them because of this unwillingly lot of negative comments inside them. Even if, my friends, they don't want to be knowing or unknowingly they do bad things to others in their entire life, my friends. And a lot of times, due to this negativity, their own family members are also affected. Yes, they become a villain. And there are some people whose life begins just like other normal people in this world. But suddenly they are faced with such an accident that changes their life completely. In such situations, admit your shortcomings. Try to know your limits, and maybe then it will become less difficult for you. This is the one way out, my friends. Your existence, which is your past, will keep coming every second in front of you and make it more difficult to emerge from this situation. But listening to Preeti Srinivasan's amazing stories will get a new consciousness infused in your life, my friends. Preeti Srinivasan, who's a good swimmer, was also the under-19 Tamil Nadu cricket team's captain. And one fateful day, while swimming, she met with an accident which completely destroyed her nerve senses from the neck down till the toes. That means she was paralyzed. She could not have any feelings from neck below till her toes, my friends, completely paralyzed. Huh? Do you understand this? In the beginning, for a few days, or you can say for a few years, it was very, very difficult for Preeti to accept this. But now she has to spend the rest of her life in a wheelchair, my friends. But one day, her willpower, her hope to live again, got her spirits in full swing. Today, Preeti's own organization, Soul Free, through which she gives a new hope to live to severely disabled and handicapped women by sharing her life experiences with all the ones she encounters with. Humans will give man the power to rise above his shortcomings and also see and understand his strength, my friends. The spirit to live gives you the courage to dream again. But my friends, it also gives you the strength to fly with your dreams in an unbelievable space. So you don't believe me? So meet Sai Prasad Vishwanathan. Sai Vishwanathan today with his organization gives scholarship for economical backward students in society for them to pursue higher levels of education. I'm sure you must have heard of the Harry Boniface which is Prabhu's name. And despite being paralyzed at the age of 4, H. Boniface Prabhu did not let anything affect his goal, and Boniface Prabhu was selected in the list of best wheelchair tennis players in the entire world, my friends. And even after being paralyzed, he was the only person in the entire world to play tennis and was listed as the world's best tennis player. At the tender age of 4 years, something terrible happened in the life of Prabhu that changed his life and made him a paralytic patient for life, my friends. This was due to a wrong operation, my friends. And due to this wrong operation by doctors, he was paralyzed neck below to his toes, which caused his body to be paralyzed. This changed Boniface Prabhu's entire life. And his parents started worrying that what will their child do in the future in this world. But Prabhu, as he started growing up, his intentions became more and more solid and firm, my friends. And because of this hard work, today Prabhu is one of the world's famous tennis players in wheelchair in the entire world. Oh yes. In the year 1998, H. Boniface Prabhu reached the semi-finals of the US Open in both the singles category and also the doubles category. H. Boniface Prabhu, in the year 2007, once again in the Sydney International Wheelchair Tennis Tournament, he managed to win this title again. Other than this, he has also won the Japan Open and the Florida Open also and taken those titles. In the year 2014, H. Boniface Prabhu was honored by the government of India for making a significant contribution to the field of sports and was given the Padma Shri. Today, I gave you the example of acceptance in which most of those whose body was not functioning 80 to 90% in totality, they were completely paralyzed. But all of them embraced their sadness by not wasting their life and then drowning in that sorrow. But in fact, they accepted the situation and moved on, and also became an inspiration to others and influenced them. This kind of handicap helped others to gain confidence in themselves. Because when humans mentally conquer their shortcomings, there are no problems that can stand in their way or their dreams. And because of this will, his life can be won and he can move forward. This is all because of his self-will which drives him to achieve what others can, my friends. So you also forget all your shortcomings and find out what good quality is there within yourselves and that which sets you apart from others. Thank you.